Your air conditioner has been sitting idle all winter. Is your AC ready for the heat of summer? True Pros is offering a spring AC special for just $29. You heard that right. Our certified technicians will inspect your system and make sure everything is running the way it should. No surprises, no pressure, just an honest, affordable checkup that gives you peace of mind as things outside start to heat up. Even better, it can help you avoid costly repairs, improve efficiency, and extend the life of your system. For just $29, you can be confident your home will stay cool and comfortable all summer long. This springtime special won't last long, and appointments are filling up fast. Call True Pros today and schedule your $29 spring AC special before the heat sets in. It's the smartest way to start the season.